Nike's famous slogan, "Just do it," should not be applied to a marketing campaign for your small business. A profitable marketing initiative requires careful planning. How does a local store or chain compete with big companies with big, massive resources? Usually by using your head and not trying to outspend them. Target your niche with a social marketing campaign manager. Small businesses typically serve a niche market. Defining their niche and personifying it into social marketing, Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Targeted ad campaign is important. Social media marketing creates the best ROI for small businesses, but it demands a certain specificity when defining a target. Focus on your content marketing strategy. Right now is an important time to optimize your content marketing strategy as we see consumers spend more time online than in the past. Consumers currently seek out more information while looking for ways to be educated, entertained, and inspired. Reallocating your marketing efforts to content marketing will give your brand the ability to connect with consumers where they spend the most time. Market your successful customers. Evangelist customers are your key to quality budget conscious marketing success. Put them up in front of your target audience via a webinar as you have the excitement of an event and premium content you can gate and promote after the fact. You can also slice the content into smaller pieces for social media distribution. Roll out a customer loyalty program. Small businesses should leverage their greatest asset, their existing customer base. Encourage repeat business by rolling out a customer loyalty platform. It is cheaper to service a returning customer than it is to source a new customer through advertising. Once you build a brand loyalty, you can reach a wider audience by launching a referral program and you'll see exponential growth. Optimize for local searches. Owning a business is great, but it doesn't mean anything if your target market doesn't know that you exist. Many customers are looking for businesses near their current location. In addition to being optimized for search engines, you should be optimized for local searches. This will help more people searching locally to be able to find you when they need what you have to offer. Leverage free channels you own. Remember to leverage free channels like online advertising, like your own social media, blog and email marketing lists, cell phone, mobile advertising, direct communication resources like WhatsApp, print advertising like periodical advertising like brochures, leaflets, flyers, handouts and point of sale advertising. Often trying to tap into fans and current customers can be more cost effective and productive than trying to find and convince new customers. Get creative with video and photo editing. Get creative with video and photo editing. 15 seconds video are the craze of the market and apps like Prequel, TikTok and Splice make it easier than ever to create highly watchable videos and visually interesting photos. Remember that the campaign should be cohesive as well as engaging. Tailor your messaging to a buyer persona. Do the research to develop a buyer persona. Then tailor your messaging to that persona using the marketing platforms that your buyers interact on the most, that is email, social media, blogs. That way you are capturing a small audience that is highly qualified versus a larger audience that is unqualified. Segment your audience. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes segmentation. It's not enough to create tactical activities, which is neither sustainable nor a long-term growth driver. An impactful marketing strategy will strengthen your business during unpredictable times. Create consistency to amplify the message. While content needs to be appropriately adapted to the medium, make sure it is clearly tied together across all channels so the viewers associate them together. Repeated exposure increases memorability. A catchy tagline or a vanity phone number can be a unifying force across signage, website, truck wraps and digital ads and extend to future campaigns too. Put clear metrics in place. Measurement is the key. Never make assumptions that your marketing is working. Put metrics in place to make sure your marketing spend is converting to sales, and if not, be nimble enough to quickly make adjustments, then measure and optimize those. Leverage SMS automation. They should leverage SMS automation and keep a constant dialogue going with customers. Small businesses thrive by building personal one-on-one relationships, and one of the best ways is to leverage SMS automation to initiate responsive marketing engagements with their customers. This keeps their business top of mind for customers. Obsession with the cheapest marketing platform. Marketers obsess about platforms to their detriment. It's not about finding the cheapest platform, rather about finding a format that is impactful so it'll be organically heard above the noise. People relate to people more strongly than inanimate brands. Remember that impactness is the soul of the marketing.